Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking my Oh So Special palette and I'm going to use these two shades here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like my lids, even though they've got concealer on it, they are stained. And the reason why they are stained, in case you are wondering, is because this is the third time, or this application here is now the third time that I am creating the same look with the same shadows, and the purple has stained my eyelids. Now, why is it the third time that I'm creating this look? Well, the first time it was for YouTube, and I downloaded the footage onto my laptop, pretty much edited the video and was about to upload. And then this morning when I woke up, I decided, oh, I really like the way that the eyeshadow looked. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it again. And then when I did it, it looked even better than the first time. So I decided, you know what, let me have a look at my footage again using my Zulu palette, and let me see whether or not I still like the look, because now I've got something to compare it to. And I was like, I've now done it so much better. So let me scrap all that footage. When I get home today, which is now, I'm going to reshoot it again, and I'm going to do it the exact way that I did it this morning. So I kind of did it a little bit different, and it was a lot more intense this time. So yeah, so my lids are just like all stained and stuff, but whatever. This purple, I do have to say, when I first tried it, it was quite patchy, and even now as I'm putting it on, I'm finding I'm having to build it. But I think that with this purple, there was probably like that dry layer, because as I keep on using it, I just find that it's a bit more pigmented than the last time, and a bit more pigmented than the last time, etc, etc. So I feel like it was probably just a little bit patchy the first time round. So the way that I did it yesterday, it wasn't like the purple didn't go all the way around like this. It was literally just in the crease and on the outer edge, but it looks so much better this way that I'm doing it. So now I'm going to kind of start stamping that colour in and focusing on the crease itself to give that depth. And just keep stamping, and then just kind of blend out the edges as much as you can, and again just stamp. And don't stamp too hard like in your socket. You don't want to hurt yourself, give yourself an injury and stuff, but just build it up a little bit. Woo! Now going over to my Saharan 2, I'm using the shade Chef Chuen, this one here, on a flat brush. And I'm just going to go right in on the center. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. So earlier on today, I'm sitting at my desk, I'm on the computer doing my work, and I get a phone call from my son's school. They're like, oh, your son isn't in today. Can you tell us where he is? And I said, he should be at school where I sent him. Like, what do you mean? Where is he? Like, with you. I'm gonna go back into the Zulu and get that purple again. And they were kind of like, oh, there may have been a mix-up. I'm like, yeah, can you go and check that my child is in class, please? Go and like get up and physically check and call me back. In the meantime, I called my childminder, because my childminder is the one who takes him to school, because my job starts like early doors, like crazy hours. So I'm like, what am I gonna say to the childminder, because I know she sent him into school. I know that for a fact. And if there was ever any problems, of course she's going to tell me. It's not going to take until late morning for her to tell me. She would have told me like straight away if there was any issue, and there's never any problems. Ugh. Anyway, so my childminder picks up the phone. I'm like, his school just called and said that he's not in school. Like, did you guys see him go into school? Like what? Do you know anything? They're gonna go and check that he's in class, because I've told them that he should be in class because that's where he was sent. And they're like, we watched him go into the school. We watched him. And I was like, you know what? Okay, they're gonna call me back and I'll let you know what they say. Just using the rest of what's on my flat brush, just so I can blend out that purple into that green. Ooh, I so love this look. So she calls me back and she's like, Mom, I'm so sorry. He's in his class. I've just gone and I've had a look and he's in his class. This has happened to me before. I have children and I've had a call that saying that my children aren't in school. And I know that I took them into school, And I was just kind of like, you know what? As long as he's in school, fine. Because I don't know if someone's gone into the school and done some kind of abduction or something. I don't know. But I told her, as long as he's in school, that's fine. And she's like, oh, I think somebody marked him as absent accidentally. They were supposed to mark somebody else as absent, but they marked him as absent. I was like, you know what? As long as you're saying my child is in school, that's all I care about. But you know, when I got that call, I was just kind of like, what? What do you mean? Oh, seriously, what do you mean? He's in school with you. Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna go off camera, clean this up and do my under eyes, and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. So I've put some more of that purple underneath my eye and I've smoked it out a little bit, and I put a little bit more purple on the outside and on the inside of the eye, so it's a little bit more of a halo rather than going to the end of the eye. I feel like just having that green in this very center rather than over the complete eye is just a little bit more captivating is the word. Yes. Now you guys know Juvias never let me down. Ugh, their colors are just always so vibrant, and I'm still trying to find another company whose eyeshadows are this pigmented and this vibrant. Like right now they're just up there for me. Anyway, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.